So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Thursday the 14th of December. Now let's have a look what happened in prices and where they might possibly go. So we were in around this 1356 and we were consolidating before the news event. After the strong move to the upside, I was possibly expecting a break and a move up towards that 1430. We did not see that. Instead, our inability to break this 113.56, our inability to break, and the fundamental news catalyst subsequently saw a sell-off in the US dollar against the Japanese yen. So we've seen a sell-off to the US dollar against Japanese yen. We've had a brief bounce there in around 200 period moving average, but we have seen further sell-side momentum coming to the market. Now, what we have seen is prices have come down to this level marked out here on the charts at 1252. Briefly broke below it, not by much, not even 10 pips. I'm not going to have a actual look to see where we actually turned around, because it's somewhat irrelevant in this context. Now, in around this 1252, we've found support. We've seen prices retrace all the way up to that 1277. Again, it's a horizontal level. It is marked out in red, so it is of some significance. So we are potentially seeing a further sell side momentum coming to the market. If we do see this continuation of this sell side momentum from this 1277, we'll see our prices reacting around 1252. If we're not able to hold 1252, we'll see our prices. We'll have a look at the 400 period moving average. Again, if momentum is strong and to the downside, we were targeting 112.15, and move beyond 112.15, we'll be looking at all the way down at 1160. Yeah, we'll be looking all the way down at 1160 from where we are at present, at 1268. So we're looking in around this 1160. I would expect a bit far in the range. If, however, we do see a bit of a turnaround, or we do test this 1252 and we do see a turnaround and a break of that 112.77, we're looking to target 1304, beyond which we're looking for the 1356 to the upside. Now, 1356 is still pretty close, so if we do have a very strong catalyst, we could potentially see price head towards our 114.30. But again, I wouldn't anticipate price heading all the way up to 114.30. I'd probably think 113.56 or in around 113.56 to 114 to be the zone where we'll likely see the most. We're most likely to see the prices heading to a bit of a consolidation, or possibly a minor reversal or retracement in around that 114. If we do break above this 113.56 to the upside. Now, let's just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the US dollar against the Japanese yen. So if we head over to the daily chart, just go on here, correct? So the level I've mentioned in around at 114.30, this is the reason why I've mentioned that level. We've seen three pretty sizable sell-offs from that level as a bearish candle after this 130.56. I don't anticipate this candle retracing this entire move and heading towards our 130.56 and possibly beyond. So we're potentially looking for, just bear with me a second here. So we're potentially looking for a further sell side momentum, and we've mentioned all levels to the downside. We've mentioned 1160, and a break below that, we're looking for that 1073. Those are levels to the downside. We've mentioned levels as well to the upside. And yeah, that should wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.